Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Beginner English Hub. I'm your host, Maya.
And I'm Leo. We are happy to see you again. Today we have a very useful topic for daily life.
That's right. Today we are going to talk about shopping at the supermarket.
Everyone needs to buy food, right? So this lesson will help you ask for things and find items in a grocery store.
We will listen to a short conversation between Leo and me while we are shopping. Then we will explain the important words. Are you ready, Leo?
I am ready. Let's go shopping. Sound effect. Supermarket background noise. Beeping scanners, shopping carts moving. Okay, Maya, I have a shopping list. What do we need to buy first?
First, we need to get a shopping cart. Okay, got it. Now let's go to the produce section for fruits and vegetables.
The list says we need apples and onions.
Look at these red apples. They look very fresh. Let's take 5 of them.
Okay, 5 apples, and here are the onions. Do we need any potatoes?
No, we have a lot of potatoes at home. Next, we need milk and eggs.
That is in the dairy section. It is usually at the back of the store. Okay, here is the milk. Do we need 1 bottle or 2?
Just 1 bottle is enough. Oh, and grab a carton of eggs, please. Be careful, don't break them.
Don't worry, I am careful. Now, where is the bread?
I am not sure. Let's look at the signs. Oh, I see it. It is in aisle 4.
Great, let's go to aisle 4. Wait, Maya, look.
What is it?
Chocolate cookies are on sale. Can we buy 1 pack, please?
Okay, Leo, just 1 pack. Now, let's go to the checkout to pay. Okay, listeners, that was our shopping trip. Now, let's learn some important words from the conversation.
First, we talked about the shopping cart. This is the metal basket on wheels that you push around the store.
Yes, in British English, it is often called a trolley, but in American English, it is a cart.
Next, Maya mentioned the produce section. This is the part of the store with fresh fruits and vegetables.
Exactly. Then we went to the dairy section. Dairy means food made from milk, like cheese, yogurt, and butter.
And here is a tricky word, aisle, A-I-S-L-E. The S is silent. You say aisle.
Good point. An aisle is the walkway between the shelves. We found the bread in aisle 4.
And finally, checkout. This is the place where you pay for your food. You can pay with cash or a credit card.
Simple, right? These words will help you next time you go to a supermarket in an English-speaking country.
We hope you enjoyed this shopping trip with us.
Before we go, we have a question for you. What is your favorite snack to buy at the supermarket?
Do you like chips, chocolate, or maybe fruit? Let us know in the comments.
Thanks for listening to Beginner English Hub. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
See you next time. Bye.